Day 91, August 8th, 2024, 7:30 a.m. Part 13, Stages 14 and 15, the wheels. Getting the parts ready. Filling in pinholes with sprue glue. Used a cut-down nail file to smooth between the wires. Spent a long time to make the wheels look neat and tidy. First coat of 50/50 matte black mixed with thinners. The second coat, gloss green number 3, 100%. Second coat of matte black on the brake hubs. And Molotow Chrome on the hub caps. After several days, second coats of gloss green, Revel rubber black number 9 on the brake hubs. Poking out holes with a cocktail stick, then a coat of gloss coat on the wheels, and matte coat on the brake hubs. Checking everything, poking out holes with a cocktail stick again. I won't fit the tires yet, and put wheels to one side. I don't want to fit them yet. End of part 13.